Oh, hey, that's me.
No, next up is Kong.
Oh my god, bro. I literally said I go by other pin for some people. Wait, see on my about tab? I mean, oh wait, he didn't see me yet, but look, it says my actual name here, then my BFDI nickname. I literally said so on other pin here. Also, that is actually not my other name. Anyways. Okay, so pronounce win, by the way. Yep.
How creative of you.
Yes.
I don't have to use Google Translate for this.
Yes, this is the first one, I guess. Okay.
Okay, I'm in a Morse code translate.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh my god! Mr. Pong just got You just got Rickrolled! Mr. Vaughn just got Rickrolled by my Morse code! Okay. Okay. If you don't know where the comment is, it's in translated comments number 30. Look, this is my comment here. I suspectfully said here though. I forgive him for this one. And yes, this is very true though. When am I going to get an Oscars for Rickrolling Mr. Pond? I'm Rickrolling Mr. Pond! My mom thinks I'm crazy, and I think you might get the reference. It's the Rickroll. It's never gonna get you. Okay. I'm laughing uncontrollably right now. I managed to Rickroll somebody on YouTube. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.